In this tutorial, we will find how to mine Monero in 2022. First, let's find what is Monero.
What is Monero? Monero is the leading cryptocurrency focused on private and censorship-resistant transactions. The majority of existing cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, have transparent blockchains. Transactions can be verified and/or traced by anyone in the world. This means that the sending and receiving addresses of these transactions could potentially be linked to real-world identities. Monero, on the other hand, uses various privacy-enhancing technologies to ensure the anonymity of its users. Monero transactions are confidential and untraceable. Unlike selectively transparent alternatives, e.g. Zcash, Monero is the only major cryptocurrency where every user is anonymous by default. The sender, receiver, and amount of every single transaction are hidden through the use of three important technologies: stealth addresses, ring signatures, and ring CT. Because every transaction is private, Monero cannot be traced. This makes it a true, fungible currency. Merchants and individuals accepting Monero do not need to worry about blacklisted or tainted coins. Monero is electronic cash that allows fast, inexpensive payments to and from anywhere in the world. With Monero, there are no wire transfer or check clearing fees, no multi-day holding periods, and no fraudulent chargebacks. Because Monero is decentralized, it is not constrained by any particular legal jurisdiction and provides safety from capital control. Monero is a grassroots community attracting the world's best cryptocurrency researchers and engineering talent. The Monero project is at the forefront of cryptocurrency privacy and security. Its research lab and development team are constantly working on new, innovative technologies. Since its launch, the project has received contributions from over 500 developers located all around the world. Numerous forums and chat channels are available for anyone to join, and the community is always welcoming new members.
Now, after we find out what is Monero, let's get our wallet address to be able to start mining. For this video, I will show you how to install official wallet for Monero. You can go to the download section, and where it says Monero GUI wallet, click here. It will pop up a couple of options. I will select what my Windows is. My Windows is 64-bit, and I will click on this link. Now it will download the official Monero GUI wallet. After the download is done, click on the file you just downloaded and click on Run. Now it says Monero GUI wallet. Click on the next button, click on I accept the agreement and next, and leave it or change it if you want the default path for this wallet. Next and next and next and install. OK, and click on finish. After the installation, find your icon from the wallet and click on this icon. In the first box, click Allow Accept, and it will show you a couple of options. Choose your language and click on Continue. Now it says mode selection: simple, or advanced. I will use simple mode. Click on this box where it says I understand the privacy implication of using the third-party server and click Next. Create new wallet, click on that and choose your wallet name and your wallet location and click on next. Now it says choose your password. You're all set up. Click on the create wallet button. Now you need to enter the password and click OK. And this is the wallet for Monero. Click again on allow access, and this is the simple wallet for Monero. For your personal address, click on this button where it says receive, and you will get your wallet address. You can click on the address and it will be copied in your clipboard. Paste in your text file to be able to use for mining. After we find our wallet address, now we need to find where to mine Monero. On mining pool stats, you can type in the search box Monero, and it will show this with the orange icon. Click on that and it will find you a couple of pools for Monero. I've already chosen a couple of these, like the best pools, and for this video I will use Nano Pool. Click on the link nanopool.org and it will open the Nano Pool Monero mining pool. Click on this link, Help Center, and click on Monero. Now you can find here all information on how to start Monero. First we need some mining software, and here it says miner setup examples. So I will use for this video Nano Miner and click on that, and now it says Nano Miner CPU. Monero is mining with processor, and it can be mined with graphic cards, but the hash rate from graphic cards is very low, and it's not recommended to mine Monero with graphic cards. So for mining Monero you need a good CPU. Where it says installation, click to this link to be able to download Nano Miner. Okay, the latest version is 3.7.3. I will click on this link and it will download the miner. Now open your downloaded file, extract it and open. Now you have couple of files, so we need to find this config xmr.ini. Right click on that and edit. As you can see, it says address to send funds to wallet. You need to paste here your wallet address. Now I will copy my wallet address and paste in this file, and I will change my rig name. I will enter test kire and save this file. Okay, now you are ready to start mining Monero with Nano Miner on Nano Pool. After we've created our config xmr.ini, now we need to create another batch file to start mining this configuration file. Right click and create new text document. Name it Start Monero and replace this extension txt with bat. This will be your batch file. When it says if you change your file name extension, click on yes. Now you have batch file, but it is empty. Right click on this file, show more options and edit. Now in this file you need to type the name of the miner, nano miner.exe, one empty space, and now copy the name of config xmr.ini and paste it here. It will need this file, it will need to look like this: nanominer.exe, empty space, config xmr.ini, and save it. And now you can close. Now you can double click on this file and it will start mining. As you can see, it's already found my processor. I am the Ryzen 9 16 core processor, and now we are mining Monero on Nano Pool. Here it is my address, here is my name, rig name, and here is the pools where you will mine Monero, XMR, EU1 Nano Pool, and some other backup pools. Okay, it's already started mining. Total speed, total shares, we have not found any share yet, but we will wait some time to find some share on the pool, and then we will paste our address on the pool to see our progress. After a couple of minutes of mining, now we can check our progress on the pool. Copy your mining address and go to the Nano Pool. Where it says address or payment ID, paste your address and click on the search button. It will open your mining address and it will says current calculate hash rate and average hash rate and your balance for mining Monero. The other information for Monero you can find on a couple of sites. If you want to check your profitability, you can go on what to mine, enter your hash rate and power consumption, and it will estimate around what is your profitability. You can go on CoinGecko to find the prices and markets and some other stuff for Monero. So this was the easiest way to start mining Monero.